Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Before we begin, let me ask you a question. Have you wondered why art supplies are so costly? This question used to pop up in my head until I found a ballpoint pen. Yes, a simple ballpoint pen. A ballpoint pen is quite affordable. The artworks made by a ball pen look really amazing, and I can say this again and again. These are some of the artworks that I have made with a ball pen. These are some simple pen sketches made using a reference picture. But if you want to see something more creative made with a ballpoint pen, then watch this video till the end. So let's start making something with ballpoint pen. So we need a pencil, an eraser, and of course a ballpoint pen, and a paper also. Oh, I forgot to tell you, but you need a little bit of patience as well if you are making a detailed picture or a doodle. I am making a random picture without any story. I have added random things and let's see how this picture turns out to be. Ballpoint pen is my favorite tool for making art, mostly because I can control its flow on paper. I can add lighter strokes and darker strokes according to my wish. I discovered how amazing ballpoint pen can be when I was in 8th standard. When I started scribbling during my classes, it was fun, and the only tool I used was a ballpoint pen. The picture that I am making now has many details, and I love adding details to my drawings. You may find adding details really exhausting, but details really make a drawing or a doodle look great. I feel really good after making something detailed, and the reason behind this, according to me, is the details that I add. Adding details with a ballpoint pen is very easy. I have made many pictures with a black ballpoint pen because it's my favorite tool. Doodling with a ballpoint pen is easy if you practice doing that. In this picture, I have added elements without any thought. Drawing something without trying to make any sense is a good way to start doodling. Your drawings don't need to make any sense to anyone. Just draw whatever you want if you want to learn how to draw. You can choose a suitable ballpoint pen for yourself according to what you prefer. There are many varieties of ballpoint pens in the market, and each of them is unique in some way. I prefer a ball pen which can give a very dark color. You can choose a ball pen according to its tip, flow, and color. I learned how different each ballpoint pen is when I tried different brands of ballpoint pens. In this drawing, I have added details to the clothes this girl is wearing, and I am adding some books to the picture. You can observe the hatching and cross hatching that I have done to add shading to the books and also to the other things. And now, here is a spirit coming out of the books. I am filling this picture with hatching and cross hatching, as you can see. This is the third character of my picture who is a tea lover. This character is sitting in a teacup. For the people who don't know Hindi, I have written chai on this cup, which means tea. This character is sitting in a teacup and also thinking about tea. Here are some of the thoughts which my characters have. Now I will fill the remaining area by scribbling. The artwork made with a ballpoint pen is now complete, and you can see all the little details that I have added in the picture. I hope you enjoy making something with a ballpoint pen. All the best! Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.